Dear students, today we are working on the second exercise, that is 10.2, which is based on area, because in the previous exercises we have completed our concept of perimeter, and you must be knowing that perimeter means the concept of boundary, the concept of the sides which are all around. Okay, but right now we are discussing the concept of area. Remember beta, in the previous days the area was measured with the help of square paper. Okay, because you can see that area means the portion covered inside. ठीक है, the portion covered inside, because आपको याद होगा perimeter means only the boundary, the outer surface, or you can call it the outer boundary. लेकिन जब हम बात करते हैं एरिया की, तो एरिया मीन्स द सरफेस विच इज कवर्ड बाय बाउंड्री. इट मीन्स अगर हम इसको बात करें तो देखो यहाँ पे ये बाउंड्री हुई हमारे शेप की, इस बाउंड्री के अंदर जितना शेप आता है, दिस होल सरफेस इज नोन एज एरिया. So this is the difference between area and perimeter. Perimeter means only the boundary outer one. Look at here. This is only the boundary, जिसको मैं अभी डार्क कर रही हूँ. ठीक है, लेकिन when I will talk about the area, area means the portion covered inside will be known as area. So remember, one of the method for finding out the area is square paper. ठीक है, so that is why we have drawn all these figures in square paper only. ठीक है, so what we will do is we will simply count how many number of squares are inside, that will be called its area. Okay, let's start from the first one. You also do it along with me. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square. It means in my first figure I have total 8 square. So I will write it down, 8 square unit. Okay, I will write it down. The answer, area is equal to 8 square unit. This is the first answer. You also write it down by counting your figure which you have made it. If you have more number of square, आप more number of square लिख सकते हो. ठीक है, now move on to the second figure which I have drawn. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, and 6 square. It means on my second figure I have area as 6 square unit. Okay, so this is 6 square unit will be the second answer. Now move on to the third figure, that is C number figure. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have total 12 complete squares. But अगर आप ऊपर देखोगे बेटा तो मेरे पास दो हाफ स्क्वायर्स हैं, तो दो हाफ मिलाकर कितना हो जाएगा बेटा, 1 कंप्लीट स्क्वायर. ठीक है, बिकॉज यहाँ पर दो है, एक यहाँ पर हाफ पार्ट कवर है, एक यहाँ का हाफ पार्ट कवर है, तो मिलाकर के कितना हो जाएगा, 12 पहले से था, हाफ और हाफ मिलाकर के हो गया 13. सो फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर सी, द आंसर विल बी 13 स्क्वायर यूनिट. रिमेंबर, हमको हाफ हाफ भी कवर करना है बेटा, है ना. We have to cover up half as well. Now the same thing, question number D. Now can you please help me with the area of D1? Please see the figure which is drawn on the board and tell me what could be the area of D figure. Very good, Sanat. I got the answer from Sanat. Yes, Krishna Kunal, correct. Rest of the student, help me with the area of D figure. Yes, Ritisha, correct. Yes, Ayush Kumar, correct. Naitik, correct. Rishabh, you are not right, my dear. Just think of it once again. Yes. Let us understand what will be the answer. Yes, Anmol, you are right. Look at here. This is first square. This is second square. This is third square. This is fourth square. 4 are complete. है ना, 4 are complete. But there are 2 more which are half. तो हाफ हाफ मिलाकर कितना हो जाएगा, 4 पहले से था, हाफ हाफ मिला के हो गया 1, तो यू हैव टोटल 5 स्क्वायर यूनिट. This is the answer for question number 2. Sorry, question number D. Sorry, not 2. Question number D. So I hope you have understood this one. Now, after doing this one, बेटा आप क्या करेंगे आज? अपनी कॉपी में हेडिंग लिखेंगे एक्सरसाइज 10.2. You will cut this figure from the graph page. आप ये pages cut करेंगे, जितने figures हैं you will cut it and you will paste on your maths copy with the answers. Okay, you will cut these pages, you will cut these shapes, you will paste those pages on your maths copy including their areas. ठीक है, आपको area जरूर mention करना है बेटा. Okay, so remember, now I am asking from you that I have a doubt. Can you please tell me in the chat box, can you clear my doubt? My doubt is the figures were very small. We have found out their area very easily by using square paper. But suppose the figure is like a field, a big field like your school, okay? The playground of your school. Do you think this method will be easy to find out area of the whole playground of our school? Can we put square paper in the whole school building and can we find out the area of school playground by this method? Absolutely no. You can do it, but it will become very, very difficult method for you. I think हो सकता है पूरा दिन निकल जाए आपको पूरा playground का area निकालने में, है ना? It means it will be a little difficult method for finding out the area. So remember, beta, square paper method is a method where you can find out the area when you have less number of space. Yeah, you have less space to find out the area. But if you have the greater space, this method will not work. Okay, आपको बहुत time taking process हो जाएगी. So for this, we have a method of finding the area with the help of formula. Okay, so let us know the formula for finding out the area. So we have understood two figures in this chapter. One was rectangle and one was square. I am telling you for triangle as well. ठीक है, हालांकि triangle is not there in your course, but I want you to study because I am teaching you, so थोड़ा सा extra पढ़ने में क्या जाता है, ठीक है? Because we have studied triangle as well, so I am writing triangle as well, ठीक है? So here are the three figures for which we will be finding out the area, no matter how much larger the rectangle is, no matter how much larger the square is, no matter how much smaller the triangle is or how much bigger the triangle is. This method will work on every figure. Okay, every figure means no matter the figure is large or small, the field is small or larger. Okay, so rectangle area is length into breadth. ठीक है, length multiply by breadth. This is the formula for finding out area of rectangle. Now what about unit? अभी आपने देखा square unit we were using. So हम यहाँ पर लिखेंगे, याद रखिए जब भी हम एरिया निकालते हैं बेटा तो हमारी यूनिट होती है स्क्वायर यूनिट, because ultimately how many squares will be covered inside will be the area of any figure. So that is why the unit will be known as square unit. Okay, now move on to square. The formula of square is side into side. This is the formula for finding out the area of square. Side into side, again the unit is square unit. Now move on to the third. The third one is triangle. The formula is 1 by 2 means half into base of the triangle into height of the triangle. And again the area, the unit is square unit. Okay, base into height. I will explain you one by one when we will need this. Okay. So write it down, these all formulas on your copy. Then we will start our next exercise, that is 10.3.